everybody. So today we're going to do another little mod video. Those of you that have been following the channel have seen that I've gotten into Street Fighter V pretty hard. And I got this Victrix stick used on eBay, the Bison one, because he's my favorite character. But the buttons and the switches are a little bit worn. So the first mod I did was I changed these 6 buttons to these cool chrome ones to, make sure that the buttons are top notch. Now I want to take some of the brand new Guile buttons I have, and I'll show those in a second, and put them in here to replace these black ones. Even if I'm not going to use them, I want them to be new. And then an upcoming mod that I won't be doing on this video yet, but it's coming up soon, is the up switch and the back switch are kind of worn out. So I want to actually replace the switches on the stick as well. To get those black buttons today, I want to swap buttons on this stick. So this stick's pretty new. I bought this one new off of Amazon. So the joystick feels great. All the buttons are still super solid. So I'm actually gonna take these buttons out and put the silver ones in just because I think they look super cool. And I'm gonna take a couple of the spare black buttons I'll then have and put them into the Bison stick to make sure that that stick has all brand new buttons as well. All right, so let's get into it. So that was a fun little quick mod, more button swapping. So I really liked how the silver looked on my Bison, so I wanted to get my Guile stick to be just as cool. So this is how it ended up looking. Just super awesome looking stick. Love this thing. And the quality of the stick's insane, so wanted to go with some really, really sick buttons to go with the actual panel. And then this is how the Bison one turned out, just to remind everybody how that one looks. And now all 8 buttons are new. So the only switches that are old on this thing are the joystick switches, which I'll try to swap out in the near future. So the last part of any successful mod is actually testing it. So let's see if we messed up our fancy little Guile stick here, or if it's still good. All right, everything seems to be working real nice. Oops. Cool. So works great, feels great. All right, so this Guile stick, it was already awesome. Now it just looks more awesome. And yeah, if you guys are in the market for a high-end, really nice fight stick, check out the Victrix. Like, these sticks are absolutely insane. The build quality is unbelievable. The whole thing's an aluminum body. You guys saw how easy it is to swap parts out of it. So the button swap on 2 sets of Victrix sticks was super easy. And really, like, the etchings and everything, if you get one of these fancy ones, just look beautiful. Like, the colored aluminum, brushed aluminum looks amazing. And then the laser etchings just have tons of detail. So really, like, I've used a lot of different kinds of fight sticks in my lifetime, and the old tournament editions from the early 2010s I absolutely loved. And these sticks are the first ones in a long time that I just like way better.